Welcome back on Info with Usman. Today we discuss most common words used in English. Let's start the lecture. The, at, there, some, my, of, be, use, her, then, and, this, first, an, would, a, to, from, which, like, been, in, or, him, she, call, his, one, do, into, who, you, at, how, time, oil, that, by, there, has, its, it, if, look, no, no, he, but, will, was, to, find, not, up, more, long, for, what, other, right, on, all, about, go, day, her, are, were, out, see, did, many, we, has, number, get, with, when, no, no, come, your, them, way, made, they, can, I, may, could, said, so, pupil, part, good, work, about, job, study, sorry, bed, boy, above, act, active, able, action, achieve, accept, actor, girl, at, actual, addition, address, admire, admit, adopt, adult, adjust, admission, advance, advice, affect, age, again, ago, agree, agent, agree, aids, ear, hall, airline, airport, long, also, alcohol, alter, among, amount, analysis, angry, animal, answer, any, anybody, another, apart, appeal, apple, anyway, appear, area, army, arise, arrange, art, article, author, attack, ask, auto, award, baby, bag, back, bed, ball, bank, base, battery, basket, basic, beauty, become, behind, below, beside, bike, bite, between, bill, blood, bone, boom, brain, box, both, bricks, breathe, brief, bring, brush, bus, camera, call, cable, cancer, car, carbon, cat, cash, case, city, chair, CEO, clean, cut, data,